For you too, you have to give. I have a good finger.
What? Yeah, you must kill everything.
Huh? Because you never shut it off.
I know, but the hose is leaking in the middle of it. Good morning, Philippines!
No, the hand sanitizer under it. Guys, we feel like we are in the fire. We're on fire. It's so hot.
Hey, you want a slice pizza?
Hmm?
Well, you said the car slice pizza?
Pizza, no.
Pizzeria right there.
They have?
Yeah.
My husband always take care of me. Slow down, hon. It's 20 here. No, it's always cups over there waiting. Tommy. No, it's 25 here. You were flying, and you know that's really hard. 45 here, over there. It's 20. No. No.
You make.
Yeah, I know. Bad. I think there's no cups.
It's not fair, and I make it a little turn. Okay.
Because I follow that guy. I follow the guy that I follow.
The copy will say, okay, I'll give you both a ticket. Well, he was in front, so I catch whoever's closest to me, which is you. And he gets away with it, because you follow him.
Is that what it is? What did you say?
I like roasting.
Para. What is para mean?
4.
Okay.
Gross and eerie. Grocery.
Gross and eerie. Huh?
2?
1. You, 2 for you. For you too, you have to give. So yun guys. Kasi sabi ko nagutom ako, Han. Kasi gutom ako at saka naihi kasi hindi ako kumakain ng lunch. Hindi ako kumakain ng lunch, and then gusto na akong magwiwi kasi inom ako ng mainit na tubig. And sabi niya, "O sige, kunin kita ng pizza." Guys. Diba? He is the best husband. Even sometimes we kind of like have that. We are like this, but you know, I know he is one of the kind of, even though he doesn't want to walk and he doesn't like the heat, and he's going to do it for me. If you are his friend and you need something, he'll do it for you. I will give you example. The other day, yung cousin niya tumawag. Sabi pa niya, yung TV, hindi siya marunong gumawa ng mga TV or paano i-operate or paano i-change yung settings, hindi talaga marunong. And then he called Tommy and he said, "Oh, my TV there's no sound whatsoever, like nothing." And then it's Sony having problem. So Tommy was here and he's going to the other house. That was Tuesday. He left. And then he's supposedly going direct to the house and, you know, relax because the next day he's very early. No, ang ginawa niya is pumunta siya sa cousin niya para i-fix. Hindi na fix kasi walang solusyon. Meron siyang ginawang solusyon para marinig yung boses, pero yung color sa TV naging something weird. So wala siyang magawa kasi there's something wrong with the TV. So last night, di ba nagtrabaho siya kahapon, umalis siya galing trabaho very early, like 5 o'clock. He's supposedly coming here direct. No, he is looking online. While he was working, he was looking online and how to fix, how to do this, what's happened with the Sony TV, lalala. So nakita niya yung solusyon. Ang ginawa niya after work, doon siya dumiretso sa cousin niya. So yun siya. So kaya kapag kung kilala mo si Tommy, he will do it for you even he is very far. And yeah, he'll do it for you. It's a simple thing, just to help you. Yung bata pa siya, hindi pa kami nagkakilala. Pumunta siya nakatira yan siya sa Florida kasi may condo siya doon. And then yung sister niya, yung husband, yung ngayon, yung kapatid niya na palagi kong pinupuntahan. Nag-ano sila sa bahay, nag-renovate. nilagyan ng bagong roof. So nalaman niya na mag-change sila ng roofing at saka alam niya na sobrang mahal mag-hire ng tao kapag mag-change roofing ka or hindi mag-change roofing, you have to roof. Kasi po dito kasi sa US, kapag may atop ka na, yung bubungan may isang layer na, kapag parang sira na, hindi siya tatanggalin, dublihan ng second layer. So ang ginawa ni Tammy, nag-book siya ng ticket agad, siya yung gumawa for free. Siya yung gumawa ng roofing ng kapatid sa bahay, kapatid ni Tammy, siya yun. So nagtulungan sila sa brother-in-law niya, nagtulungan sila. So wala silang nagasto. Ang nagasto lang nila is yung mga material na materialist. Yan, ganyan yun si Tammy, guys. Kapag kilala ka, kaibigan ka, parang nakilala ka na pero hindi ka niya best friend, gawin talaga niya. Yung parang he's going to do something special for you. Kaya ganyan yan si Tammy sa akin din. Sa family ko, ganun siya. Ganun yan siya. But anyway, guys, hintayin natin yung pizza natin. Guys, my husband, he put everything on the refrigerator what he got. Look at these two babies want to come in. Hi, it's hot out there. Yeah, hot. Wala pa kaming AC dito kasi hindi namin ma-on, diba, Han? We cannot turn the AC yet. Han, why you get more bread? Lamb, Australian. Ang mahal, Han. This is expensive, Han. $10. Usually, it get cheaper than that.
You also forgot that.
Usually, it's like $5.
3, 6, 9, 12.
12, right?
12, and yes, it's 12 rolls. What's the price on this?
It's 3 something.
Okay.
$3 something.
So this is twice as much. So this should be $7, right?
Are you sure that's the price, son, for something?
Yes, hon. Let me show you the receipt.
How many? It's additional
Oh,
from 12.
18. It says 24 on the website.
Hey, Tommy.
So it's still 18.
18, that means only 4. 6 added. No.
6.
6 added, right? Yeah. And bumili talaga si Tammy ng white sugar. Alam niyo ba kung saan ito? Itong white sugar na yan, hindi yan para sa amin. Para yan sa hummingbird. Diba? Uy, may nagsabi kasi, hi sis, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan mo. May nagsabi na, ano daw, makasisira daw yung, ano daw yun, bad daw yun sa hummingbird daw yun yung call.
4 cups of sugar, 4 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar.
Okay, 4 cups of sugar.
Not 1 and 1.
Okay, something. And then, he researched online. And he said you cannot use brown sugar. You need to use white sugar for bird. So, another more expenses for the birds.
I like it that way.
If there's any instruction, you use the pot, you put the soil, and then you spray the parsley. You do it later. I'll do it later. I'll do it myself. You don't have a green screen, a green finger.
What? Yeah, one of us doesn't.
Yeah, I have a good finger.
What? Yeah, you must. Kills everything.
Han, don't say that. Everything is grow.
It grows upside down because I haven't seen it come out of the ground.
You know what? That's the first thing I heard. Upside down. Okay, I'm going downstairs with Tamimoy. Samahan ko lang siya. Punta siya sa basement para ma-on yung heater. Kasi, heater, air conditioning. Huh? Because you never shut it off.
I know, but the hose is leaking in the middle of it. So much for this great hose. Leaking over here. And it's not leaking on the handle, it's leaking from over here.
Because you should be shutting that off. Guys. Hala ka diha. Patay. There's smoke.
Imagine that. Fire and smoke. Hey, he was looking very well.
Yes, you're gonna freaking burn the house.
Maybe.
Yeah. That's the answer I don't like. Yes
Okay.
and maybe.
Okay, yes.
You know what? Oh,
Well, you didn't like maybe.
and I don't like yes.
Oh, well, and you just don't like anything, do you? Right. Right. Yeah, but you can tell me what date, because I need to tell work too.
What happened to my camera? It's so hot. Katapos ko lang nag-cut ng grass. And anyway, so what happened is, so nag-usap sila yung kapatid ni Tami, and baka, yeah, I think nagkuha na sila ng tick. I don't know kung anong nangyayari. Makati na naman dito. Lagyan natin ng chemical or alcohol kasi ang kati-kati talaga. Ang kati. Iwan ko, hindi ito poison ivy or baka may mga konting leftover na poison ivy. Iwan ko, guys. Oh, ito guys, nabili ko na ano guys, oh. Gusto ko. Ito, i-transfer ko to siya and then ilagay ko to sa wine din sa gitna. Yan, dyan ko siya ilagay. Pero kailangan ko siyang i-transfer muna. Hi guys, 8 o'clock na guys. Hindi pa ako nakapagluto ng dinner. Kumakain ako ng gum. Hindi naman ako sanay kumakain ng gum. Kasi, paminsan kapag kumakain ako ng gum, nagchucho ako ng gum. Ang nachucho ko, ang naano ko dito sa mga gilid-gilid ng pisngi ko. Always talaga yan may ano, may samad. May napaak ba? I bet my frick out. So, ito yung problema kapag mag-prepare ito, guys. Yung oil is kahit saan nakarating. Dito. Doon siya. Okay, guys. It's very late dinner. Spoiled bag. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. Tommy have this Tommy have to spend time with this little man like that. Anyway guys, we're gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. You're watching Hub's butt. Hello, 3Ds. Hello. Bye bye.
Hi guys.
Night. Galing ako sa labas eh. Tignan ko lang yung light doon. Ang ganda. Nang nilagay namin na light ni Tami sa harapan ng bahay. Anyway guys, time check. It is 10 o'clock almost. Time to sit down guys. Kasi napagod guys. Walang katapusang. Tignan mo han. Look at that han. Good night guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night. Good night, baby boy. Night.